This is Nerva de la Cruz reporting for Youth Pinoy. Tonight, the adoration with the Holy Father has just ended, but thousands of pilgrims are going to stay here overnight at Copacabana Beach. This is despite the announcement from World Youth Day officials that they are not obliged to stay in the overnight site, as has been the tradition for past World Youth Days. Rio de Janeiro officials had just moved the venue from Campus Fidei to Copacabana Beach because of unfavorable health conditions, and because of the advice of health officials that it may not be the best situation or the best conditions for pilgrims. Filipino pilgrims are one of the delegations that will be staying here overnight despite the cold. It's probably 13 degrees here, and we just know that they had completed an 8-hour walk from Central Station in Rio de Janeiro until here in Copacabana Beach. So it has been a long and tiring day, but pilgrims who are very enthusiastic and very passionate to be the seed of faith that Christ will plant in this world, they are starting it tonight with that commitment, and most will be spending their night in prayer and rest, and also spending the time to be with their brothers and sisters from the different countries in the world. So tomorrow, World Youth Day will continue with the final Mass with the Holy Father, as this week-long event will wrap up in just a few hours. So again, stay tuned and follow more of WYD updates with us as we give you the latest of what is happening, especially with the World Youth Day Philippines official delegation of ECY Philippines. So again,